Guys, look, I love their, how great is that? Alright, so, you guys just seen me get up and go to Jeffie. That was cool. Look. Who's been to the Grand Sierra? No, we're not gambling here. Let them do it. I'm gonna gamble. I'll do it in Vegas. Or someplace out, maybe. My friends are. And I feel like it. And I gotta feel like it. 'Cause I always win. Oh, I did not lock the car doors here. I don't think people break into Teslas, do they? There's the door. Let's get the fuck out of here. Oh, friends, yeah. Why do people come here? Comment below. My friends have invited me. I always decline. They're like, oh, the pool is so good. I'm like, oh shit. Apparently better pools in the Bay Area, probably. I don't know. What do you guys think? Look, they're still on. No. Oh, do you guys lock your Tesla doors? Do people break into them? I want to know.